Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi zidni ilma. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Dar-e-Arqam School, Warri Town, Phase 4B. I am your English teacher. My name is Apta. Today we are going to read the lesson number 1 of our Broadway. The name of our lesson is The Hummingbird Who Chewed Bubblegum. Okay, students, let's start our lesson. Starter. Imagine you and your friends are on a sea watch. A storm breaks out and your ship is blown to an unknown island. You land on the island and discover that nobody lives here. Where will you find shelter? What will you eat? What will you drink? How will you spend your time on the island? How will you send a message to your family? Okay, students. Now you have to think about all these questions and answer them accordingly. Now, come to the lesson we are going to read. There was a little hummingbird in my neighborhood. It usually sat on my window sill. I enjoyed hearing her sing. Suddenly, I didn't see the little hummingbird for some days. About a week ago, a bad storm came along and blew all the warmth away. I felt sorry for the hummingbird. She must have been hungry and so she must have flown away, I thought. Then, one beautiful sunny morning, the little hummingbird reappeared on my window sill. Where have you been? I asked the little hummingbird. Just out flying around, replied the little hummingbird. Did you find anything to eat? I asked. Oh, there is plenty of food, but all the twigs and straw were blown away by last week's storm, said the little hummingbird in a sad voice. I'm sorry to hear that. What are you going to do? I asked. The little hummingbird shrugged her feathers and said, I'm not sure, but I have a favor to ask of you. Sure, anything, I said. Can you please give me some bubble gum? Asked the little hummingbird. I was surprised that a hummingbird would ask for bubble gum, but I was happy to share it with my friend. The little hummingbird chewed the gum balls and then blew a bubble bigger than her body. Thanks, she said and flew away. The next morning, the little hummingbird was back. She asked for a few more pieces of bubble gum. I did not know why she wanted bubble gum, but I was happy to share it with her. She thanked me again and flew away. 2 days later, it was nice and sunny. I was playing outside. Suddenly, I heard a voice calling out my name. I looked around but didn't see anyone. The voice called out my name again. This time, I realized it was coming from the oak tree in my backyard. I saw the little hummingbird up on the tree. She was sitting in a red, orange, and blue nest. Look, what you helped me build, said the little hummingbird. What do you mean? I asked. Well, there weren't any twigs or straw left after the storm. I needed something to build a nest where I could lay my eggs. Your bubble gum helped me to build this nest. Thank you very much, said the little hummingbird. I climbed up the oak tree, and sure enough, there were two little eggs the size of jelly beans laying in the nest made of bubble gum. I told myself, I am so happy I shared my bubble gum with the hummingbird. She has been able to build her nest because of it. So, do remember to share your things with others. Students, our lesson is ended, and the moral of our lesson is that sharing is caring. To help others. Share your thing with your siblings, your friends, and help each other. Life is meant to give and take.